Hi, again, check out this challenge here. This is a kind of strange, right? But I know it's not strange to most of you, okay? But the question here, we are asked to evaluate 6 factorial. We are familiar with the factorial symbol, right? Good. They're all over 3. Here we have something that looks like a question mark, but it's not actually a question mark, okay? We call it the terminal. Then we have 3 terminal times 5. Here we have the hashtag, but it's not a hashtag. Here we call the primorals. Okay, so we have 5 primals here. Okay, so we have in all 6 factorial all over 3 terminal times 5 primals. Will now be equal to what? So do not mistake this for this. This is a question mark. Okay, but here it is not a question mark here. Okay, so how do we evaluate this? We are all familiar with our factorial symbol. We know that, right? We know that okay, let's take our solution first here. So solution, we know that our 2 factorial means 2 times 1, which is equals to 2. And our 3 factorial means our 3 times 2 times our 1, which is equals to 6. And so down, we can get our 6 factorial. And so 6 factorial, we mean our 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And we have an answer to that, right? Good. Now, the next thing we look at here now is what is our terminal? Okay, what is 3 terminal here? It is simple. Yeah, instead of multiplication, we do what is called addition of that very number down to 1. Okay? So, for instance, if we have our 2, the terminal, this is equals to 2 plus 1. Easy. So 2 plus 1 is equals to what? R3. So if we have our 3 terminal, this is equals to 3 plus 2 plus 1. That will give us an answer also. Right? Good. Now, we come to the next one, which is the 5 primordial. Okay. If we have our 2 primordial, what are the prime numbers between 2 and 1? It's just 2, because 1 is not a prime number. And so this will give us 2. Then if it is 3 primordial, this is our 3. Then the next one is what? Times our 2. In case of this one, we're multiplying, we are not adding, unlike our terminal, right? Good. So if we have 4, then down, okay, let's just go to 5. So to our 5 primordial. So 5 primals will give us what? So 5 primals will give us here 5, because 5 is a prime number. Then times 4 is not a prime number. The next prime number is 3. So we have times 3 times 2 is also a prime number. 1 is not a prime number. So we add there, right? Good. So if we bring all this quantity down to this system, what does that imply? So our 6 factorial all over our 3 terminal, then times our 5 primal times our 5 primal will now be equal to, so we're going to have here 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, everything all over 3 terminal. We have it to be what? Our 3 there plus our 2 plus 1. Let's put this in bracket. The times, let's also put this in bracket. Our 5 primordial will give us 5 times 3 times 2. Close bracket. Easy. Okay, so yeah, we can easily add this together. But let's leave this the way it is here. So if we add this together, this is going to give us our 6. So this is going to give us in R, we have 6 times 5 times 4 times 3, then times 2 times 1 all over. This is 3, please. Then times our 6 times 5 times 3 times 2. So let's go ahead and cancel out. This will go with this. Here 5, 5 here. 3 is here, 3 is here. 2 here, 2 here. So we are now left with just 4 at the numerator, and at the bottom we have nothing in here. So we have 4 times 1, right? So 4 times 1 which is equal to what? Our 4. So in all, we cannot say therefore, we can say therefore our 6 factorial all over our 3 terminal there times our 5 primordial is equal to 4. Answer. All right, so this is the value of this expression we have here. Okay, so if you learned something from this video tutorial, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Remember, this is Online Maths TV. If you've not subscribed, subscribe to our channel because here we drop videos all the time for your learning. Thank you for being there once again. Until we see you in our next class, keep winning. Bye for now.